In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an Outlook integration in Monday.com. To get started, open Monday.com in your Chrome browser and go to the board where you want this integration to live. Make sure you're inside the correct board before moving on, because integrations are set up at the board level. That means the automation you create will apply specifically to the board you're working in. Once you're on your chosen board, look along the top area of the screen and click on Integrations. This is where Monday.com keeps all of the available connection options for external tools and services. If you've never used this section before, don't worry. The layout is designed to help you quickly find the app you want and then choose a ready-made automation recipe. After the integrations panel opens, use the search bar to look for Outlook. Type in Outlook, and when the matching integration appears, click on the integration icon. This will open the Outlook integration options available for your board. Depending on your workspace setup, you may be prompted to connect your Outlook account if it hasn't been linked yet. If that happens, just follow the on-screen prompts to continue. The connection process is usually straightforward, and once it's done, you'll be able to use Outlook with Monday.com automations more easily going forward. Next, choose the rule you want to use. For example, one common option is, when an email is received, create an item. This kind of rule is useful if you want incoming emails to automatically turn into trackable tasks, leads, requests, or updates inside your board. As you review the available recipes, think about how you want information from Outlook to flow into Monday.com. Choosing the right rule at the start can save you time later and help keep your workflow organized. When you select your preferred rule, Monday.com will typically guide you through any final setup details directly on screen. Take a moment to read each option carefully so the integration behaves the way you expect. Small setup choices can make a big difference in how useful the automation becomes in day-to-day work. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of opening Monday.com, accessing the integrations area on your board, searching for Outlook, and selecting the rule you want to use. Once set up, this can be a simple but powerful way to connect your email activity with your project management workflow.